Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I made a cute little Jenga block glue gun stand, and it was practically nothing to make, and it's all out of the Jenga block tower blocks from the Dollar Tree, and I used a glue gun pad piece to catch the drips, and a little bit of the Weld Bond glue. So if this is something that you might be interested in making, follow me along now and I'll show you how you can make yours step by step right now. So let's put our little glue gun stand together. So what I have done is I've taken the tumbling tower blocks and I'm using the 72 count. I haven't counted them up yet as to how many I've used, but I'll do that as I go along. And I'm using the Weld Bond glue for this. So I have taken 6 tumbling tower blocks, and I'm using the variegated ones, again, the 2 different colors, and I'm gluing them flat, 6 flat, like that. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of the 6 flat, and then I'll glue all those together for starters, and that'll be the base for our glue gun stand. And now for the glue stick holder, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks again glued together like that, and I've got 2 of those. So I'm going to use my Weld Bond glue, and I'm going to glue the first one down on the very back of my stand. And then for the sides for the box, I've got 3 and 3. So I've got 6 more, and they'll go on the inside of the box. And I'm going to glue that down. And then I'm going to put my other 6 pieces and I'm going to glue that down. And then we'll have a little box for the glue sticks. And it'll look like that, sitting on top of the stand, like that. So I'll glue this all together and glue it down on my stand, and then I'll be back. So now what I'm going to do is to rest my glue gun on to my little holder here. I have got 2 blocks stacked up like so. And I have cut a piece of my glue gun pad, and I'm using my old glue gun pad that I have been using in the past. And I cut that to make something for my glue gun to drip onto. And I'm going to leave that loose so I'll be able to take it out and get rid of the glue gun strands. So I'm going to glue my 2 pieces in the middle of my holder here. So I'm counting in 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's going to go approximately halfway on the second block that I've got glued down. So I'm going to hot glue that down there so that my glue gun then will rest on top of this. And then I'll be back because it'll work better once you see that it's glued down. So there we have it. This is glued down now. and the glue gun is standing on there, and it's still standing on the back of my holder. So what I have done now is I've taken 4 more Jenga blocks, and I've taken 2 times the 4 of them, and I'm going to put those just on either side of my glue gun holder, just in case it wants to top over. At least it'll have some place and it's not going to fall right down. So I'll show you this. Hopefully it'll stand up because they're not glued down. So if I have my glue gun sitting on my stand like such, I'm going to have just 4 little blocks sitting on either side, just so that it stays within the stand. So I'm going to glue those down now, and I'll be back. So now I have my little 4 blocks glued down on either side, and the little part there where I'm going to put my glue gun, and my piece of my glue gun pad is going to sit in there. So now when I put my glue gun down, it'll sit there, and if it wants to topple over as I'm using it, it will still stay within the glue gun stand, and it will drip onto my little pink glue gun pad. So now that is complete, so we can put in our glue sticks into the back, and I think that turned out really cute. So now we have a total of 58 Jenga blocks. So we didn't even use the full box because this box had 72 in there. So this was really an inexpensive idea to make. So 58 blocks, and here in Canada I would pay $1.75 now for our supplies at the Dollar Tree. Things have gone up there as well. And my Wellbond glue, well, I just used whatever was required, so I had that on hand. And then I did buy one of the glue gun pads, and that too was $1.75. But I did use a piece of my old one. So for $3.50, I made myself a little glue gun stand. My glue gun I bought from Michael's just to have a new one now that I've made myself a holder, so that I've got a new glue gun to use. So I'm quite happy with that, and I hope this is something that you might like to try as well. So until next time, if this is something you'd like to try, please do. And I hope that you like yours as much as I think I'm going to like mine. So please like, share with your friends, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.